So we're making a super special dish.
Yeah, something hot, cold, sizzling, delicious and sweet to start off this new year very well.
Yeah, let's get started. I'm really excited.
Like any day, MellowBites always tries to give you healthy, yummy and something easy to make, isn't it?
Yeah, it's also delicious.
And this festival is also going to be the same.
Yeah, for this we're making brownies.
That's healthy.
Yeah, and we're making 2 drinks.
One is Kiwi Mocktail and the other one is
Dragonfruit Mocktail. Yeah.
Get ready. Let's begin making brownie. That's so simple. I'm going to use 5 bananas like this. If you have bigger bananas, you can add up to 2 to 3. We have very small, tiny bananas, so we are going to add 5 bananas to this.
Yeah. You want to peel them, Bargo? Yeah.
Bargo is having some hiccups. I think someone is thinking of you.
Yeah, I think so.
Someone special. And then I'm going to crack 2 eggs.
Here you go, Mom.
Thank you.
It smells bad.
So what's going to be your New Year oath this year?
I don't know. Brownies and...
I'm asking the oath. What have you decided to do something special?
Maybe to exercise every day.
At least wake up early. Then think about exercising.
Like watching movie every day.
Wow, this is a nice New Year oath that every kid will make. Watching a movie?
Yeah.
You want to become a movie star? What's the purpose of watching a movie, Mom?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm just bored in the house.
You're feeling bored. I think something should happen that your school should start off, isn't it?
Now we're adding vanilla extract.
Yeah, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can blend it with your hand. You can use a hand blender. We are just going to blend this. It's very simple as this.
Yeah, but you don't want to use the hand blender.
You can go ahead and add some ingredients.
Then we're gonna add some jaggery.
Yeah, you have 1/3 cup of jaggery here.
And we're gonna And then I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of yogurt. Delicious.
Yeah, make sure your yogurt is very thick and not sour.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna add an oats flour.
Yeah, a cup of oats flour will do.
Yeah.
If you don't have oat flour, you can just blend rolled oats into a fine powder.
Then we're gonna add some peanut butter.
Yeah, we have 1 cup of peanut butter here. You can check out homemade peanut butter recipe. We'll leave the link in the description box.
Yeah, this peanut butter is delicious and makes the cake more healthier. Yeah, it's like the real peanut butter, guys. Yeah, so if you want a very healthy cake, try this peanut butter too, guys. And
You can substitute with almond butter or any nut butter that you have.
And we're gonna add some cocoa powder.
And Bargo doesn't forget to taste it secretly.
Yeah.
Even though it tastes bitter, I don't know why he does that.
Yeah, we're gonna add some baking powder.
Yeah. We have had 1 cup of cocoa powder here and a teaspoon of baking powder. And that's it. You're going to blend it and pour it into your cake mold.
Yeah, guys, if you want more cake recipes or cupcake recipes, we also make Christmas cupcakes, which are delicious. And even if you checked out that video, my brother's mouth was full of cocoa powder. Yeah. And licking the...
And all our cake recipes are healthy. That's the main part, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and blend this.
So I greased the cake mold right here. And look at our brownie batter. Yeah. So good.
It's blended very well. Let's transfer this batter beautifully into the cake mold. So let's transfer the brownie batter into this.
It looks so good. Yeah.
It's creamy and delicious. Here, the brownie is ready to get into the oven. I've preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 centigrade. Let's put it and cook for 30 minutes. Make sure to check the moist level. So, what next?
Yeah, we're gonna make Kiwi Mocktail, Dragonfruit Mocktail. New Year isn't fun without a few cool drinks. Yeah, like mocktails, cocktails, and mojitos.
And cocktail is not for you, so kids are going to have the mocktail.
Yeah. dragon fruit, I'm gonna add some lemon juice. This is a big fruit, so even half of it is enough. Yeah. So I'm gonna add 3 to 4 mint leaves.
And we are going to add honey for the sweetness.
You can add any sweetener of your choice, but this is healthy. When we're adding brown sugar, it kind of changes the color, but you can also go ahead and add that. I'm gonna blend it into fine puree. I blended it fine puree, so I'm gonna add it inside this cup. We're gonna leave this for later so we can add it to the mocktail. It's just like the base. Now we're gonna peel the kiwis. Look at the beautiful green color. Now I'm gonna start making the kiwi mocktail. I'm gonna start by adding 2 small kiwi fruits. You can add 1 if yours is gigantic. There we go. And then we're gonna add some fresh mint. And then I'm gonna add in some lemon juice. That's about enough. And then we're gonna add our sweetener, honey. You can also use a jaggery, sugar, whatever you like. Now let's blend this into a fine puree like we did for the Dragonfruit Mocktail. Now I made this into a fine puree. The lemon and the kiwi give a beautiful sour taste, so you can add in honey if you like a little more. Then I'm gonna transfer this into a cup, just like how we did for the Dragonfruit Mocktail. Just for later when we place the mocktail. Yeah. There we go. Look how beautiful green color that is. And when you pour in the soda, it's gonna be delicious.
So our brownies are ready. I'm going to switch off. Look at it. It's beautiful and it comes out clean. I'm going to take it out.
You don't want to leave it too long inside or the brownie will become too dry.
Yeah, I think it's a little dry. We are not seeing. We should have taken it by 25 minutes. That's okay. I think it's moist inside. Let the brownie get cooled down. Ready, it's party time. We have sizzlers and mocktail cups ready to get served. What more than that you need?
Yeah.
I'm going to get the sizzler plate heated here.
And I'm going to put the puree inside the cup. Yeah, we're going to add about 1 spoon, 1 to 2 spoons of it right into the bottom of the cup.
Let the sizzler plate get heated for 4 to 5 minutes. It should be damn hot.
Yeah. So the ice cream and everything on the top will melt. It will be good.
Meanwhile, let's get ready with this cocktail. Can I get the ice cream for you?
Yeah. Yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
So we added in the puree. Yeah, are you ready to make the mocktail? Yeah, I'm so ready. We're gonna add in some ice. Yeah. Here you know, you can just add it with your hands, I think. I'm just gonna grab a handful of ice. Now we're gonna add some ice cubes to the drink. And then we've got each of our fruits. So my brother is adding in dragon fruit, that is his mocktail. And then I'm adding in some kiwi slices. And then I'm gonna add in some carbonated soda. Look at the mocktail, it looks delicious. I think you need a little more, Bargo. Yeah. There we go. So good. And then I'm gonna add it into mine. Wow, look at it fit. That's the most fun part. Looks so fancy. Yeah. Now you can add in some more ice if you want it really cold, accordingly, and then you can add some more kiwis. It's up to you. Ice. Me too. Okay, now I'm also gonna add in 1 more kiwi slice for me, this half cup one. And are you ready, Varga? Yeah. Cheers! Cheers.
The sizzler is nice and hot.
Super hot, right?
Yeah.
Look at so scared to touch it.
Yeah, of course, you should not touch that. I'm going to place the brownie over this.
Is that going to be cooked actually? It's going to turn very hot.
And I'm going to place a scoop of ice cream over the brownies. It's going to melt.
Yeah. And I'm going to add some sprinkles.
Just pour on the hot chocolate
Look at that
sauce.
sizzle.
Yeah, the sizzler is ready. Wow, look at the deliciousness.
Yeah, I just want to eat it.
Yeah. Have a fantastic new year ahead. Happy New Year.
Yeah, guys, look at how it sizzles. You have to try this. It's cold, hot, delicious, sizzling it like my mom told you in the beginning. And then when you just scoop it, it's delicious. You have to try this at your home for New Year.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Barbie, you got the first bite. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to try it. So good.
It's so good.
Can I have my mocktail?
So what am I going to have, guys?
Probably the leftovers I'm eating. I'm kidding, Mom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Chocolatey. Don't forget to try this recipe. And bye. Make sure to leave a comment in the description box about